Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 24. Simplify 15 plus 10 divided by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Now this is a very important sum here because we need to know our order of operations. Now, if you want to solve this sum yourself, you may pause the video now and have a go at it before you continue the video, and we'll see how it's done. So you are invited now to pause the video if you wish. I will move on now and show how this sum is done. Now, as I said earlier, we have some operations here and we need to know the order. It is most important. In this particular sum, for example, we have addition, division, subtraction and multiplication. We cannot work from left to right at this stage. What we must do is we have to focus on the division and we must focus on the multiplication. We have to do those operations first. If we go 15 plus 10 is 25, that is leading to the incorrect answer. You must focus on the division sum first, as well as the multiplication sum. So there's your 15. I've just put it down. There is your addition sign. Now 10 divided by 5 gives you 2. So we've solved that section there. There's our minus sign. 3 ones are 3. So there it is there. Now look what we've got. We have 15 plus 2 take away 3. We only have addition and subtraction. There's no more multiplication and division. So we work from left to right. We just go straight across. 15 plus 2 gives us 17. There's our 17. 17 take away 3 gives us 14. And that is the correct answer because we have looked at our division and multiplication first. And from this line we've gone from left to right. And the reason we've done that, we only have addition and subtraction. And that is why that is the correct answer. So do not fall into the trap of going 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. That would definitely lead you to the incorrect answer. So I hope you enjoyed that little sum, and be mindful of the order when you have different operations like that. Be mindful of the correct order.